Hey everybody, how's it going? So, do you want your camera to be cool like Google and do a freaking barrel roll? Well, I got good news for you. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your camera do a barrel roll, either for a channel point redemption, a button you press on your stream deck or on your stream, or through Streamerbot and a redemption on your Twitch stream. You can also use this for YouTube, obviously, but it's going to be you doing all the button pressing and not the game. So, the first thing you need to do to get your barrel roll happening is you need to come over here to this OBS stuff and get yourself the Move Transition plugin for OBS. Very vital. You have to have this Move Transition plugin for OBS. It is probably my second favorite OBS plugin after the Atrium vertical plugin. This is definitely a must-have in my opinion. So again, let's do a barrel roll. So to do this, after you download the plugin, link down in the description below, we're going to go ahead and come to the scene that has your camera that you want to be moving. And we're going to hit filters. Inside of filters, we now have access to move action, move source, and move value. We're going to choose move source. And we're going to say that this is original, and you'll see why in a little bit. Move source, and we're going to call this the barrel roll. Now, when you have this first setup, you'll notice the source says window capture. It's not actually on the video capture yet. So there it is, and click get position or get transform. You're good. Barrel roll. Again, select the camera, get transition, but we're going to take this rotation and say 720. Now, I like 720 personally. It's up to you how long or how big of a little flop you want. So let's check this out. If we do this, barrel roll, back and back. We do want it to be the same speed, forward and back. We also want it to be, let's say a sine. And again, there we go. You'll notice a problem with this though, is that it is going off of this corner up here. Easy fix, go to your video capture device, go to transform, edit transform, and here, positional alignment needs to be in the center. It's going to move us now, so we have to bring ourselves back to where we have it. Go back to your filters, and again, you need to get your transforms, and just make sure that everything is proper. And you'll notice no rotation, because it did reset our rotation on there, so 720. And then here we want 0 rotation. All right, so let's go ahead and try that one more time now. There's the barrel roll, perfectly in the middle. Bam, now we have a barrel roll. If that's all you need, you're good to go. But now let's talk about how you can get it to actually do it by itself and not you pressing a button. I personally use Streamerbot. Streamerbot is the bot that I use for everything that I do on OBS that's somewhat fancy. I'm too lazy for most of the stuff. Bam! So, with this, right, with Streamerbot, you can do some amazing things that I don't even touch the surface of, but we want to add a command. So we're going to say barrel roll. Now, you don't have to use a command, but I kind of like the idea of it being a barrel roll command, or just a roll command. Let's say roll, and we'll do roll. Just have 2 different commands there ready to go. Click OK. Now go to the actions. We need to add an action. We can call it barrel roll. And this is where you can decide the trigger. So for us right now, we have it set up for just a command. So you're going to go to core commands, command triggered, and we're going to choose that barrel roll. Click OK. Now, if you have a channel point redemption of barrel roll, you can also come over here and go down to Twitch, channel goal, channel reward redemption, and now you can choose the barrel roll that you have and click OK. Now, if they redeem that, it'll do the barrel roll. And we can also go ahead and add in the sub action now. So the sub action is what's going to happen when this goes off. And the OBS, we're going to go down to scenes, set scene filter state. We're going to choose the gaming PNG. The filter is going to be barrel roll at first. Click OK. And we can also do a little something extra. Core, we will go to sounds, play sound. We're going to add a file, and we have that right there. Finish before continuing, yes, click OK. Now we are going to go ahead and add in a delay. Now, the transition we made before is 1500 milliseconds, so we'll go 1501 milliseconds. We are going to add in a new OBS, change filter, change scenes, change scene filter state, and we're going to go back to the original. So now that all should be set up properly. So when we come over here and we do roll, now we do the barrel roll. So this is how you can set it up with the Streamerbot enabled to help provide that for you, either for a channel point redemption or a command. Somebody in chat says something, you say something. Streamerbot lets you regulate all of that and decide who is going to have permission to do the command. I hope this video helped you guys out. And if you enjoyed it, leave a like down below and maybe say a problem that you have with streaming or OBS or Streamerbot. Tell me if you have any problems using any aspect of streaming stuff, and I will make a video on it, because I know this stuff. I just not very good at thinking about what people don't know. That's the problem. Later.